Hello everyone. How are you today? Great. Are you ready for our class? Excellent. Let's get started. Today we'll do EFL Phonics books, 3 Unit 1. Look at this, everyone. Let's read. Ack. Great. If you add E at the end, it becomes ache. Ack, ache. If you add k at the front, it becomes cake. Ack, ack, ache, cake. It's a cake. Cake. Now let's look at page 6 and read together. Ache, 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 cake. It's a cake. Good job. We have ave. Ave, cave. It's a cave. That's right. And ape, tape. Tape. It's tape. Listen and repeat. Cake. Ache, cake. Bake. Ache, bake. Good job. Lake. Ache, lake. That's right. What is it? Rake. Ache, rake. Now, let's move on to ape. Tape. Ape, tape. Very good. And we have cape. Ape, cape. And last but not least, ave. So this is cave. Ave, cave. And one more. What is it? Wave. So, ave, wave. Very good, everyone. Now, look at the picture. Say the word, circle, and match. Okay? Number 1, what do you see? It's a wave. It's a big wave. Ave, wave. Number 2, what is it? It's a cape. It's a red cape. Ape, cape. Number 3, what do you see? It's a lake. It's a blue lake. Ache, lake. Great job. Now look at the picture and check the word. Number 1, what is it? It's a cape. Can you find cape? Yes, this one is cape. Check cape. Great. Number 2, what is it? It's a rake. Yes. Which one? Rake. Yes, this one is a rake. Check rake. Excellent. Let's do more practice. Can you read this? Rake. Yes, rake. What about this? Tape. Yes, good job. Tape. And what could this be? Wave. Great. Wave. And the last one, what is it? Cape. Cape. Great job. Look at page 10. Listen and circle. Let's do number 1. Bake. Bake. Which one? Bake or lake? Bake. Yes, circle bake. And the picture, which is bake? Yes, this is bake. Circle bake. Great job. Number 2, tape. Tape. Which one? Tape or cape? Tape. Yes. So circle tape and circle the picture. Excellent. Now listen and trace. Number 1, listen. Lake. Lake. Which one? Yes, this one. Trace lake. Okay. Number 2, cave. Cave. Yes, cave is this one. Trace cave. Great job. Look at page 11. Listen and circle, then write and say. Let's do number 1. Look at the pictures first. What do you see on the bed? A cape. How about B? What do you see on the bed? A rake? Okay, now listen. The rake is on the bed. The rake is on the bed. A or B? B, yes. So circle B and then write the word rake in the blank. Let's read the sentence. The rake is on the bed. Very good. Now let's do number 2. Look at the pictures. Where are the kids? They are by the lake. How about B? Where are they? They are by the cave. Okay, now listen to the sentence. The kids sit by the lake. The kids sit by the lake. So, which one? Yes, it's A. Great. Circle A and write lake in the blank. Great. Let's read the sentence together. The kids sit by the lake. Excellent job. Now it's story time. Woohoo! Look at the picture first. What's the boy doing? He's making a cake. Wow. Do you like eating cake? I love eating cake. Now look at this. What do you see? Ooh, there are some bugs. How many bugs? 4. The bugs are looking at the cake. Now, where are the bugs? 2 are on the rake and the other 2 are on the cape. I think they want to eat the cake. Now what happened? The bugs fell in the kitchen sink. They are in the water. 2 bugs are on the leaves. Do you see the wave in the water? Do you think they can eat the cake? Maybe not. Now let's watch the animation.
Jake likes cake. Jake bakes a cake. The bugs see the cake.
Whoa!
The bugs want the cake. The bugs are on the rake. The bugs are on the cape. The bugs are on the wave. Can they eat the cake?
Now let's do a role play. I'm Jake. I'm going to bake a cake. And here are the bugs. Okay, let's get started. Jake likes cake. So yummy. Jake bakes a cake. Wow, look at this. The bugs see the cake. The bugs want the cake. The bugs are on the rake. Wow, the bugs are on the cape. La la la. The bugs are on the wave. Can they eat the cake? What do you think? Can they eat the cake? Maybe not. Look at page 13. Look and write. Look at the picture first. What's number 1? Bake. Now write ache here, and then write bake 3 times. Ache, bake, bake, bake. Okay, great job. Now number 2. What is it? It's a cake. Then write ache first, and write cake 3 times. Ache, cake, cake, cake. Okay, let's do a review game. I have cake, cape, and cave. I'll put them on the table. Now I'll say a word. You listen very carefully and slam the card with this fly swatter, okay? Put your hands on your head. Listen to the word. If I say cape, grab the fly swatter and slam the cape. If I say cave, slam the cave. Great. After doing the pictures, we'll do the words, okay? Now, who wants to try first? Did you enjoy the lesson today? That's great. For homework, please do page 4 and 5 in our workbook. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye, everyone.